Typhoon Ragasa, 2025, language download, PDF watch edit. This article is about a typhoon in 2025. For another typhoon with the same name, see Typhoon Nando. Typhoon Ragasa, known in the Philippines as Super Typhoon Nando, English, Super Typhoon Nando, designated by Vietnam as Typhoon number 9 in 2025, is an active tropical cyclone in the northwest Pacific Ocean and is currently the strongest tropical cyclone in the world in 2025. It is the 18th named tropical cyclone and the first super typhoon of the 2025 Pacific typhoon season. The typhoon affects the Philippines, Taiwan, China, including Hong Kong and Macau, and Vietnam. Typhoon Ragasa, Nando, Typhoon number 9, 2025 Typhoon Ragasa as it approaches northern Luzon on September 22, 2025. Meteorological history formation September 17, 2025, tan September 25. 2025 Super Typhoon 10 minutes sustained. JMA, maximum winds 205 kilometers per hour, 125 miles per hour, minimum pressure 905 hectopascals, MBAR. 26.72 in HG Category 5 Super Typhoon 1 minute sustained. SSHWS JTWC, maximum winds 270 kilometers per hour, 165 miles per hour, minimum pressure 910 hectopascals, MBAR. 26.87 in HG Super Typhoon 2 minutes sustained. NCHMF, maximum winds 215 kilometers per hour, 130 miles per hour, minimum pressure 905 hectopascals, MBAR. 26.72 in HG specific impacts. Deaths 27 plus injuries, 213 plus missing, 9 plus damage, greater than $100 million. 2025 United States dollars. Area of impact Philippines, specifically Luzon, Taiwan, China, Hong Kong, Macau. Vietnam. Part of the 2025 Pacific typhoon season. Ragasa formed from a convection zone north of Yap and became a tropical depression on September 17. Moderate wind shear initially slowed the system's organization, and after intensifying into a tropical storm the following day. It was given the Philippine-nominated name Ragasa by the Japan Meteorological Agency, JMA, meaning speedy. Ragasa slowly intensified over the next 2 days, becoming a typhoon on September 19. The cyclone then underwent rapid intensification, peaking as a severe typhoon with a minimum central pressure of 905 millibars, 905 hectopascals, and 10-minute sustained winds of 205 kilometers per hour, 125 miles per hour, and was classified as a Category 5 super typhoon on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane scale.